Alright guys, welcome to another video. Today we're going to take a look at a small portable drone for a really good price. So stay tuned through the intro. What's up? My name is Doug, the Bearded Outdoorsman. Welcome to another video. If you enjoy beard product reviews, gear reviews, outdoor gear, then you have come to the right place. Take that first step, click that subscribe button if you haven't already. Okay, so today we are going to be taking a look at a small portable drone that I picked up off of Amazon. And I know I'm gonna butcher the name brand, but it is ORRENTE, O-R-R-E-N-T-E. So this small drone caught my eye on Amazon, partly because of the price, and partly too because it's got the foldable arms. So it mimics some of the higher priced drones. So I wanted to give this little bad boy a test and see. And so let me go to my cheat sheet and I'm gonna tell you some specs. So it is a Wi-Fi FPV drone. It has a 1080p camera with a 120-degree wide angle. It has a 1-key takeoff and 1-key land. Battery life is about 7 minutes per battery. That's what they advertise, and it does come with 3 batteries. It is 101 grams with the battery, and it does actually in this box come with the batteries for the remote. So without further ado, let's just get into this thing and take a look at it. So there are a couple things. I'm going to break it down and give you some pros and cons about this if you are in the market for this drone. One pro is it actually comes with its own carrying case, zippered, kind of rugged case. All right, so when you open this case up, you have the drone, the controls, you have spot for 2 of the 3 batteries right here cut out in the foam, and then you have a little carry bag up here that has the prop guards, your charging cable with a little screwdriver, and it does not come with extra propellers with your user manual. So a couple things. Let's look at the remote first. So here is the remote. So this goes up, and that is the remote. Your phone goes on the bottom. All right, so you've got 2 buttons, fingertip buttons up top, and that is a powering on. All right, so when it came to me out of the box, this joystick was actually broken. All right, that's one problem I've had with it. But it does come with the batteries. Like I said, it takes 3 AA batteries. So there's the controller. It feels pretty good. You can tell it's not very much quality, but it is. It does feel like it's well made. It's not a cheap, really cheap controller. All right, so now these are the batteries. As you can see here, it's just a real teeny tiny battery. All right, and you charge this by plugging in a micro USB on the side of the actual battery. And like I said, you do get 3 batteries with it. This is the drone. Check that out. When I opened this package up, I was blown away because the pictures on Amazon do not do it justice on size. But that's what it is folded up. You could just about put this in your back pocket. And then to open it up, you just fold your arms out. And now you have your bird. All right, so it feels cheap. And we haven't even talked about price yet. It does feel a little bit cheap in regards to what it is. But there is that I can find, there is no slot for an SD card on this. So I do not know. I did not get a chance to try out the app because I wasn't worried about camera. I just wanted to see if this little bird would fly. So I didn't even worry about SD cards, but I can't find a slot for an SD card on this drone. So I don't know if it just saves it directly to your phone. That part I am not 100% sure of. Price on this on Amazon, 50 bucks. 50 bucks. So that was one reason I picked it up, was I wanted to see, is it worth $50 and just for something to fly around and play with. Honestly, if it just flies, I don't really care about the camera because I'm just gonna play flying it around, not so much. I would imagine this doesn't have a very good camera, but we'll do a follow-up video on that when I can get it all connected and try it. I just wanted to show you this. Now, there are a lot of really, really good reviews on Amazon for this $50 bird, $50 drone. But my experience, it's not worth $50. I got it to connect. It came with 3 batteries. One battery would not even charge. The other 2 batteries, they stayed on charge all night long. Put a battery in the drone, connected it. Very simple to connect. I'll give them that. It's very simple to connect to the remote. You literally, let me see if I can find a battery that's not dead. Very simple to connect to the remote. And I flew for maybe 3 minutes and it crashed. Fell out of the sky. The batteries died. Swapped out, put a different battery in. Same exact thing happened. And then the third battery, it didn't even take a charge. And you can see when it crashed, I just noticed, it actually broke my leg off right there. So it should have a leg on this side, and it actually broke that leg off when it crashed. And it wasn't but probably 30 foot up in the air. So yeah, but I'll show you if this battery will turn on. All right, so our lights are on. So the way you connect it, that's your front lights, and your back red light will flash. So you turn your remote controller on. You take your left joystick, go up, go down, and then that light is solid and it is ready to fly. I don't know. It's not worth $50, but like I said, there are plenty of good reviews on Amazon about how great this little drone is. So I don't know if I just got a lemon, if I just got bad batteries. I don't know what the case is, but you be the judge. This is right around $50 drone. I'll have a link in the description below. You can go read the reviews and see if it's something you want to try out. But for me, it's not worth $50. So, and I hate that because it's really cool. I really like the way it looks. It's a lot smaller than my other drone, and just something to play around with, not necessarily worrying about the camera, would have been a cool option, and that was the main reason I picked it up. But anyway, that is it for today, guys. I hope you enjoyed this video. Get over and check out the drone and the reviews on Amazon. Like I said, you make the call. And until next time, stay bearded, get outdoors, and God bless.